Hello guys, I'm bobbymichael. Welcome to my space. Today we are going to be talking about the things you need to do before you design. Now, you don't just step on a project because you know how to design. You don't just open your Figma file and start designing because you already learned Figma. There are some basic steps you need to go through so as to make your work flow well. Now, when you are to design a from scratch to hands off to developer, you have to consider many things. There are some things you have to consider before you design. If you don't consider these things, you will have issue, you will have a friction within your design. You see, communication, as they say, is like a bridge connecting two or more people together. Now, communication is very important in your design. If you are to design from scratch to hands off to developer, you have to communicate well with your client and also with your product. Now, communication is creating a bridge between you and your client, and between you and your product. Now, when this bridge is secured, when this bridge is successfully created, then the project will move smoothly. A car will be able to pass on it, and the car symbolizes your project that will move smoothly on it. But if there is a friction, if there are gallops in this bridge, or if the bridge is not well constructed, then the project will not move smoothly. So with this, we are going to consider some about 6 things you need to do before you step on your design project. Platforms like Slack, Zoom, Teams, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Discord can be used as a medium of communication. Now, what are the things that you need to communicate? So the first thing is ideation and conceptualization. Now, in ideation, you have to understand the initial idea of your client, to say, okay, this product, what is behind it? What is the idea behind this product? To say, okay, I've gotten a hint, but I need to know the idea behind this. So it will be like, okay, this product started from this. It's because of lack of this. That is why I'm bringing up this product. So you get what problem the product seeks to solve. Then if you get the problem that the product seeks to solve, you'll be able to know where you are going to be focused on. That is about ideation. Now, conceptualization is to know where your client is coming from. Now, you can get the idea, but you don't get the concept. If you get the idea and you get the concept is to say where he's coming from. Okay, he's coming from this angle, he's coming from the angle of those that are facing some kind of issues, so you know your target audience. So this conceptualization helps you to know your target audience. So when you are building your products, you know the idea, and then you know your target audience. So the second things you are going to be considering is you ask your client for the list of features, to say, okay, this product, what are the features you want to be in this your product? If you don't get the product in the features, you tend to add things, and then later on you'll be removing them, and then the project will not move smoothly. Now we are trying to design a project that will move smoothly, or a product that will move smoothly. So you have to ask your client for list of features. If possible, jot them each point down, so that you'll be able to know the list of features that you want to appear on your product. So you're asking the client, what are the features you want on this product? For example, to say, what do you want to be in the home screen? Okay, he will be like, the home screen, we want it to have a flow, to say they'll be able to post videos, they'll be able to post pictures, they'll be able to do challenges, and they'll be able to save videos, they'll be able to save music also. Those are features that can be on the home page. Also, you can say, I want the profile icon to be there, I want a notification icon to be there. Those are samples of components that can be on the home screen. So those are the features that the app can contain. The next thing is USP. You have to know your USP. Your USP is something unique about your product. That is your unique selling point. So if you know something unique about your product, then you'll be able to thrive in the market. Most product and most business do not thrive in the market because they don't have a unique selling point. Now, how do you develop a unique selling point? A unique selling point can be extracted from the concept and from the ideation. Once you extract this from the ideation to get something unique, for example, when TikTok came out, there was already Facebook, but TikTok is still thriving in the market. Why? They have a unique selling point. They are mainly focused on just videos, and they are focused on short videos at that. So despite the fact that this Facebook posts videos also, meanwhile, they were able to thrive because they bring up more concept like editing your videos and some other things that makes their app unique. So we must have something that will make the app unique or the website unique. The next thing is brainstorming and research. Once you have gotten the ideation, you've gotten the conceptualization, you've gotten the list of features, and then you've gotten the USP to say this is our unique selling point and this is where we are focusing on. The next thing that you are to do is to brainstorm and research. Now you are brainstorming to gather up all these concepts together, and then to make it form your own concept. Then you are not forming a different concept, you are gathering all their pieces together. You are gathering both from the features, the ideation and the conceptualization, then the unique selling point. You are gathering all this together to form a big concept that you use to start your project. And also you are going to conduct research to say there are previous projects like that, because I don't want to assume, I don't want to believe that that project you'll be the first person that will be creating such a project. So there must be something related to it, and there must be competitors in the market. So you're going to check out your competitors, and then you see what they are doing, and then you use your unique selling points to do what they are not doing. So that is what you need to do when you brainstorm and then you research. Then the fifth thing you need to do is your user flow. After doing all this, you have to design your user flow. User flow is to say this is the features I want to appear on the home page, this is the features I want to appear on the settings page, this is the features I want to appear on the profile page. So you are segmenting each features, and then you are partitioning them into different screens. That's what you are going to be doing on your user flow. So this is very easy for you to do if you have gotten what I've listed above. And then after designing your user flow or drawing your user flow, you can do your user flow on different platforms, whichever one is befitting for you. Also, the last thing you need to do is your low fidelity, your high fidelity, or your freehand sketch. Now, what is low fidelity? The low fidelity, I think we have to talk about this fidelity sketch some other time, but you have to grab the concept. The concept is designing your screen layout, and then inputting those flows, that user flow, inputting those components in your inputting those components in the screens. Now you have already designed flows to say these are the features I want to be in the home screen. Then you now actually pick those features and then fix it in the home screen. You can either write it, sketch it out, that is, you draw it on an A4 paper, and then you input those features in it. Or you can use your Figma canvas, and then you can do something. You can do your wireframes on it. Now once you do it with your Figma canvas, it's called your high fidelity prototype. But if you are going to use your raw pen to do it, that is it's called the freehand sketch, and it can also be your low fidelity prototype. So once you get every component in every screen, and then you are able to draw them out, uh, then you are free to just transform that sketch or transform that fidelity design into your proper design. So these are the things you need to do before you design. If you actually go through this process, your design will be very smooth, and then your design will be very smooth, because this is a practical explanation of what you will learn even in Google UX certification. When you are talking about your emphasizing, these are the process you have to go through. You have to brainstorm also, and then you have to grab the concepts in your designs. So this is what you need to do before you start your design. And if you follow this process, you'll find out that your design will work better. I'm Bobby Michael. Once again, thank you.